Check out how I just made some of the best macaroni and cheese you're ever gonna have. First step, half stick of butter, about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're also gonna add 1 cup of whole milk, 8 ounces of the mild organic cheddar, 4 ounces of the sharp cheddar. Keep this on a low heat and get you a wooden spatula so you can stir it. Next step, I use 2 things of string cheese. All right, now we gotta add us a little bit of Velveeta cheese. 1 big chunk, I'd say that's probably about 8 ounces. Velveeta in. Now I use some of the boar's head Gruyere. I'd say it was about 2 ounces. All right, let's check our noodles. Al dente, right where we want them. Now it's time to spice it up. I'm gonna use 2 jalapenos. Add those jalapenos in. All right, now we got it nice and creamy and cheesy. Let's finish it off. Add our 1 pound of cooked noodles. Now what I want you to notice is that it's still kind of runny. That's why I made the noodles al dente, because we're gonna throw this back in the oven and they're gonna continue to cook and soak all this up. Now let's make our topping. Hold on, we almost forgot the main ingredient, Dano's Original. That's the green top. Did you know you can now go to the Dollar General store and try it for just $1? We're gonna use 1 whole pack. Now get that blended in there. This is gonna be a flavor explosion. Let's transfer this to our pan. Get you a pan with nothing in it. Plain breadcrumbs. Dano's seasoning, that's the cream top, a bunch of this. If you're wondering, it's like Parmesan cheese mixed with Italian herbs and spices and that Dano's flavor that you love. All right, it's been about 3 minutes and you can see we got a little bit of a toasted color change there. Now we're ready. Simply gonna top it. Now we go into our oven at 400 degrees. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. I covered it after 10 because it did start to burn a little bit and I didn't want it to burn. Let's get a look, see how we did. Whoa, I gotta get me a bowl. Got a little bit of everything. Wow. That's the yum yum get you some, my friends. Leave a like, leave a comment, let us know what you think. We'll see you next time.